Yeah, 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 yeah.
Julian Promotions.
Yeah,
Tell them, see.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go!
We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. 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 Ready.
Remix. Bungie. Remix. Busta Rhymes. Remix 2014 Flatliner, ready. See how I come again with another hit and I bang 'em, gonna win every time I spit and I hang 'em another win whenever I get 'em and I have 'em. I'm wildin' all over the damn club. Let 'em bug, then I'm coming in. See the way I kill 'em and I bag 'em, rub it in. See the way I drill 'em and I drag 'em. Wondering how I really hit 'em and I smash 'em with another dose of the drug. Lay 'em on the rug, then I hit 'em in the front, hit 'em in the back, then we hit 'em in the middle, hit 'em high, then we hit 'em low. Yes, we get a little hate and get a lot of money. Gotta put it down every single time that I let 'em know. You can never test the way I do it and the way I be moving and bouncing and shaking and shouting and breaking the mountain and making the noise that I be making every time that you be hating. Sorry for keeping you waiting while I'm demonstrating and me watching the people participating. Ain't no debating while I'm eliminating. Look, I be skating all over the rhythm. I play a position to yell at my kiss 'em. You see the way we diss 'em and erase 'em. From J.A. back to Trinidad, girl, bad. Bungie and Boss Gear, what you never had. Viking, collab on matter. Whip up on a hand.
We ready for this.